Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're unboxing and reviewing the 4 letters number lock multi-purpose keychain. Versatile and affordable security solution for your bike and helmet. This lock cable is made of high-strength braided wire with a PVC coating, making it durable and resistant to scratching. It's not just for bikes, you can also use it to lock your helmet or any other belongings easily. To lock your bike or helmet, simply rotate the number digits to the unlocked position, then shuffle the digits to lock it. To unlock, enter the passcode you've set. It's a convenient and hassle-free way to secure your belongings. The 4 letters number lock multi-purpose keychain is very affordable, priced at around Rs 300. While it's great for helmet locking and bicycles, we don't recommend it for securing your bike due to its limited security features. In conclusion, the 4 letters number lock multi-purpose keychain is a decent option for helmet locking and bicycles, but for bikes, you may want to consider a more secure alternative. That's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.